wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best metal detectors for beginners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the new home innovations Forager Go is about as affordable as they come, yet still includes a decent folding shovel for retrieval of found items. You'll also get a 72-page beginner's guide along with it, helping you learn and get started on the right foot. It includes speakers for headphones-free use and is simple to disassemble for storage. However, it doesn't have a depth indicator. At number 9, while the discrimination and ground balancing functions on the Treasure Cove TC3020 aren't great, it does detect hidden materials effectively, so you should find a lot of valuables along with the junk. Its 3 tones make it easy to know what kind of metal was found. It can specifically target gold and comes with a bag and headphones, but the directions should be more extensive. Coming in at number 8 in our list. If you're looking for a model that can help a child get into the hobby, the Bounty Hunter Junior is a smart choice. It weighs in at a mere 1.3 pounds and has an adjustable length to make it as easy as possible for kids to maneuver. It's equipped with a sturdy rust-proof coil and there are minimal settings to learn. However, the sensor isn't super strong. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for metal detectors for beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Teknetics Delta 4000 is a very user-friendly model that doesn't take much time or effort to figure out how to use effectively. However, it also has enough features to satisfy more experienced treasure hunters after they've mastered the basics. It includes a pinpoint button for homing in, 4 adjustment settings, and both numerical and visual depth readouts. Moving up our list to number 6, the Garrett Pro Pointer AT is waterproof to a depth of 10 feet, so you can hunt just about anywhere that strikes your fancy, from beaches to rivers. It offers 3 levels of sensitivity and lets you quickly narrow down the detection field when needed. It includes an integrated flashlight, a lanyard attachment loop, and a belt holster. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Bounty Hunter Quicksilver is a simple turn-on-and-go option that's waterproof all the way up to the control housing. It's equipped with an adjustable length shaft that makes it comfortable for tall and short users alike. It indicates both the metal and depth clearly and can reject specific materials, but the included pinpointer is ineffective. At number 4, you can get the whole family involved in your new hobby with the National Geographic Pro Series. It's extremely lightweight at just a touch over 2 pounds and has a practical telescoping design that makes it comfortable for kids to use. It works down to 12 inches deep and the display is easy to understand. It folds up for storage and travel. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Garrett Ace 200 is a less feature-intensive and easier-to-use version of the popular company's professional models. It's equipped with a digital target ID that helps you identify the type of metal found, as well as a handy depth indicator. It comes with headphones and a well-padded grip. It's made in the United States. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for metal detectors for beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Bounty Hunter TK4 somehow manages to not only pack in tons of great features, but to do so at a price that's comfortable for most newbies. Its coil is 8 inches in diameter and waterproof, and the entire thing weighs just under 3 pounds. It offers 3 search modes, a simple discrimination adjustment, and a preset ground balance. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Fisher F22 is a robust choice that should help novices become more knowledgeable quickly. It's weather-resistant and hardy, so it'll hold up to some unskilled use, and it doesn't require too much fiddling with its settings to get it up and running effectively. It features an audio tone adjustment for iron, 10 sensitivity levels, and a large digital display. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for metal detectors for beginners, or simply click beneath this video.